So over the time that this landscape has evolved, climate has gone through large swings between glacial climates, deep glacial episodes, and interglacial climates, much like the climate that we have now. And you can see the most dramatic evidence of that climate change and how that shaped the landscape up here in the Alpine region. Behind me you can see a glaciated valley. I'm actually standing on a moraine that was deposited by the last glacial advance here. The ice was at this location where my feet are about 18,000 years ago and retreated back into the mountains around the corner here by about 12,000 years ago. But the glaciers came back and forth over this landscape and scoured it and shaped it over a period of probably about 2.5 million years. And we're interested in understanding that long evolution of the landscape and the deep time perspective on how this landscape evolves, as well as understanding, well, given that landscape that we have here now, how does water move through it now? How does vegetation cloak this landscape? What are the rates at which soil is forming? How long does water spend in this landscape? And shorter term questions than the deep time perspective as well. So we try to balance both of those. We go back and forth between what's the long-term evolution of this landscape and what are the processes that operate over short time scales that, if you add them up over time, result in that long-term evolution.